What is going on, guys? So today is the day we are starting the manual swap. I got most of the garage fairly clean. We're ready for that. Got our jack stands right down there and some other good stuff, but we do need to run to Home Depot to pick up some things before we get cracking on it. Young Arthur out here is gonna help me rip this thing apart. Freaking hype, dude. Hype. It's gonna be so sick. You need to move that car, needs to go in that garage. We gotta do that, and then we'll get it on stands, start ripping it apart. Get ripped. Come on, there you go, there you go. Fucking get it done, dude. Yeah. Look at that auto trans go. Hey. Got subject there. So I wanted to get some plywood to put under the things, but I think we have enough of these. We could just stack it like 2 by 2 and then put the stand on top of that. You know what I mean? That could work. Alright, so I did get a bunch of blocks of wood because we are going to be putting jack stands on top of wheel ramps so we can get some extra clearance underneath the car. Because we are going to be filming this DIY series, I do want a lot of extra room to get the camera equipment under there just for some pro angles, and this will hopefully get the job done. Alright, so step 2 is to get this hunk into that garage over yonder. Look at that exhaust system. Hell yeah. Looking good. So I'm thinking we jack the back end up and then sort of walk it that way and then back it in. You know what I mean? That could work. Alright, drop tops in. Time for the sedan. Just what I wanted. 2 cars that don't run. Before we actually start ripping the car apart, we do have to kind of prepare the car. It's pretty high, I won't lie.
You're a poet and you didn't even know it.
Safety. See if we can hold this under.
I mean, if those wheel ramps can hold a car...
We can hold like 4,000 each, but that's 4,000 pounds distributed across the entire...
Yeah.
Sketchy. I would rather have... Alright, so the car is completely on stands now. We can't really do much underneath the car because it is still warm. So I'm going to start working on the pedal assembly, getting that out, and getting the trim underneath it prepped for the clutch. So it's going to be fun. Alright, so along with the aftermarket radio, we have this little microphone here. We have this little quick stop pass up there. We have a nice little antenna back there, and here is all of the wiring for it. Oh fuck yeah, dude, look at this. So this is totally the first time I'm seeing this, and that kind of makes me a little bit mad, honestly. Like, bro, you guys are using those? Oh my god. This thing isn't even connected to anything? What the fuck, man? Luckily this car is going to be totally lightweight in track specs, so I think if anything I'm just going to rewire all that and get rid of all that mess, because that is just ugly. Like, I don't need a microphone right next to my steering wheel, come on. So there's one. Alright, that's out. Alright, so I just finished shooting for the pedal assembly removal video. That was a freaking pain. Look at this wiring. Oh my god. I got like freaking boxes for Bluetooth for the Sirius. Like, I don't need any of that, bro. Jesus. Oh my god, what a mess. What do you have to say about that, bro?
Whoever did it, shame on them.
Oh my god.
Fucking shame.
Oh my god. It's funny, is the radio in the convertible like has all of that stuff in it and none of that BS wiring. It's like ridiculous.
Is that aftermarket?
That's totally aftermarket, yeah.
That may be why.
It's got like a Bluetooth box. Like it has its own box for Bluetooth. Like it's not even integrated. It's just funny. That makes me mad, bro. That's insane.
Are you gonna take them out?
At some point, yeah. I mean, fuck, man. That's a lot. Alright, so the exhaust system is cooled down enough. We're going to pull it off tonight. Hopefully get the heat shielding off so we can start working on the transmission and drive shaft tomorrow. Ready to hit this, bro?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Fucking send it, bro. Let's see what you got. You're straight on. Got a little bit out of the top angle if you want me to do it already.
Yeah, this one's the tough angle, yeah. I just don't want to fuck it up.
Yeah, I feel that. Where's my flashlight? Came off nice with that TV blaster on there.
Yeah, right?
Fuck yeah. There's player number 2. Alright. Is it on it?
Yep.
Alright. Now lower it.
Fuck yeah, dude, the exhaust's off.
Hold on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah! Oh, for the memes!
Jack's gonna get stuck. You want to guide it from the back?
Alright, so we got the exhaust system all the way out. It was a good day.
It was a good meme.
It's a good meme. Pretty good start. I really just wanted to get the exhaust off today and get the car up in the air. I got the pedals out and we got the exhaust off, so that's a bonus. So this is going to be a fun next couple of days, bro.
I'm excited, dude.
Oh yeah. It is good. We are en route to the full 5-speed swap. Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep it fresh, and I will see you guys later.